friends, thanks for being here with me. Does this dialogue sound familiar? Stop fidgeting and finish your work. Listen to me when I'm talking to you. Why cannot you keep your things in the proper place? Stop jumping around and finish your work. How much time you're going to take to eat your food? I'm sure parents, we have heard these dialogues a couple of times, and we have told this to our children when they are studying. I know I have done this. And why do we need to tell this to our child? Because children don't have good concentration skills. Their attention gets divided. They cannot sit at one place since they are born energetic, and it is very difficult to hold their attention for a longer period of time. And that too, studies. Who likes studies? Studies are no fun. It's quite boring. So we will have to do something to hold their attention and make them be focused. So my dear friends, this is Farida Messiwala, your parenting and happiness coach and a corporate trainer, and today we are going to talk on concentration and how do we help a child to be concentrated. So what is concentration? Concentration is one's ability to finish a specific task in a given timeline, of course. Why is a child not able to concentrate is for various reasons, like his not getting enough of sleep. A child needs to get 8 to 10 hours of sleep, which he's not getting, because of which he's not able to concentrate. Or familial stress. Parents are forcing him to study and come up to their expectations, or maybe follow the hobby and do good in their hobby. Or there could be parental fights at home. Or the third aspect is he's not having nutritive food and is too much into junk food, because of which also his concentration decreases. So I'm going to share with you 5 tricks which will help you to increase the concentration skills in your child. The first being, set goal or a daily timetable for your child, which will have his study time, his play time, his physical activity time, and a free time. In the study time, keep time capsules of 20 minutes each, as they will not be able to focus, concentrate more than 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, break the time, give them a play time, and call them back again for the study time. Now, this timetable has to be made along with their consensus, so that they know their day and they owe it. The second point out here is focus on board games. Play with your child board games like a Monopoly, a Ludo, Scotland Yard, Scrabble, Uno. These games will help your child to build up his logical, visual and strategic thinking. So keep away those TV time, and instead of TV and the iPads and the laptops, build up, play with the child board games. And this will be a good way of a family time, a bonding time. The third point which I like to share out here is break bigger tasks into smaller ones. So if he has to complete one whole page, break it out into paragraph. Let him finish one paragraph. This will give him a sense of accomplishments, and it will motivate him to go on to the next para. Similarly, if he has to clean up his cupboard, let him do one shelf at a time. Reward him by praising him, patting his back and motivating him to do good. The fourth point out here is understand your child's learning methodology. Each child could be a visual, an auditory or a kinesthetic learner. The way they process information could be easily done if I see it, or if I hear it out, or if I feel it, touch it and be with it. So understand your child's learning methods and accordingly help him to connect with him, and this will help him to build up his focus and concentration. And the fifth point I would like to tell you here is give daily responsibility that requires an order, like setting up a table or cleaning up, rearranging a cupboard or rearranging your bookshelves in an alphabetical order. By doing this, this will get your child into his attention span into that activity, and he'll be able to concentrate. So there are many techniques that we can use to build up concentration. In case if you like to know more, you can put it in the chat box, or you can mail me at farida.messiwala@gmail.com, and I will answer your queries. Till the time we meet next, be with me, be the change. Happy and positive parenting. Bye.